everybody, I'm Kelsey from Darn Good Yarn, and today I'm going to walk you through how to pick an order. So these are all the orders printed out by the wonderful Amanda, the Director of Operations. So here we go. I'm going to pick an order, and this is Jackie from Ohio, and she ordered women's skirts sizes 0 to 12, and she also got some yarn. So let's pick some skirts. And for Jackie's order, she did request some jewel tones. So all of our skirts are sorted by 3 colors. We have jewel tones, Spice Market, and neutrals. So I'm going to go over to the jewel tone bin. I'm going to pick her a beautiful purple. Get her a nice green. Ooh, this one's beautiful. It even has some bling and embellishments on it. And then this really pretty emerald green. And I'm going to come over see if there's any, just because, you know, we can't give away all of the beautiful jewel tones to Jackie. We're going to see if there's some neutrals with some jewel tones in them as well. And this is like a really pretty ivory with some dark green accents. Ooh, and this one is a beautiful buttery cream with some trees. And then some teal and bright orange accents. And then she also got some hand-beaded yarn in the colorway cream. So we're going to walk back over here. We're going to find her a beautiful skein of our hand-beaded yarn. And then we put it over here with all the other orders to get checked. And that's how you pick an order.
Hey everybody, this is Megan, and I'm going to show you how to pack an order. So here we have the ticket. The orders have already been checked, and so I'm going to double check that everything that should be in the basket is in here. And make sure the right sizing is here. Okay, everything looks good on the sorter. Packing in bag here. Got a little insert about how to wear our skirts, different ways. And then we just put our mailing label on. And out the door it goes.
I'm Justin, and this package is out the door.